Laver here. It's been a couple of decades, I guess, I was involved, and it was quite comforting to see it grow. I started with chairing an activities committee, then moved on to the council, then moved on to the board, and then became senior advisor. And during that time, was involved in a lot of submissions, a lot of projects at various times. But perhaps the thing that's made the longest term impact is the fact that I was involved in the reorganisation of the academy from a council division-driven body to the current body, which is a board and the assembly, the divisions and the forums. I would hope that we become even more influential, so if we are seen as the go-to body that people, if they need to get an understanding of some new bit of technology or something that's happened that they needs an explanation, we should measure our success by the fact that every year there's a lot of people who want to become fellows. In the last few years, our popularity is continuing to grow. I'm very flattered for being considered. I'm very happy to have been selected, and very proud of the fact that I've been able to achieve this.